What are you doing? Don't do it. No. Stella. Don't. No. No. Stella. You're not being good. You're so bad. Stop. Good girl. You look beautiful. Oh. Okay. Did you figure out where the steps were? Where's your bowl? I didn't hear it fall down the steps, Stella. Where'd you put it? Where's the bowl, Stella? Found it. You left it in the bedroom. Is it Jeffrey's bath time too? He doesn't like the shower, but he loves the new sink. Careful, buddy. He's getting everything so soggy. Excuse me, you and you. I would like peace for 2 minutes. Can you stop harassing each other? Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing with those legs? Huh? Coming to harass your brother? What are you doing? Huh? Huh? It's the Stinky Lana's favorite time of the day. It's bath time. Chicken bath time.
Good girl. Good girl.
You having fun? You like the new shower? Yeah. How was it? Oh, thank you. Did you have a good shower? First shower in the new house? Do you approve? Looks like you approve. Stella, you gonna help me put my clothes away? You're just gonna stand in the way. How about you make the bed? You make the bed? Or you're just gonna put more holes in the sheets? Truly questionable. Questionable, Stella. What? What? Really? Okay.
Whoa. Good girl. Whoa. What you doing? Whoa. Good girl.